So we're outside today. Never a Facebook Marketplace person, but I found a hell of a deal. Gently used Weber 22-inch MasterTouch. I got it for $45. So my plan is to get it all cleaned up. I want to, it's got the glossy finish on it that comes factory, but I want to sand the whole thing down. I'm going to hit it with some flat black heat paint. Gonna let that dry, and then I'm going to spray it OD green. Let that bake on. There's like a whole process, you'll see. And then yeah, I'm thinking about maybe putting some stars across the top to kind of match the grilling with the General logo. Yeah, so let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna start with the kettle itself. The guy just bought a brand new one of these little hickey-doos. I saw somebody else that like went online and like once you put everything together, it's not really easy to tell how far this is opened. Like that's all the way. So you want a little bit, a lot, whatever. We're gonna learn this as we go. This is my first Weber kettle. So yeah, I think first I just wanna like kind of rough scratch this. I mean, it's in good shape, man. It's got a little bit of like normal wear and tear rust, you know, shit from being outside. But yeah, I'm digging it. Might have some things to tighten up. Maybe some new bolts. But we're gonna find out. Alright. Let's grab some random shit here. You can use that to just give a little so the whole thing is obviously getting scuffed with this. But I'm definitely focusing on all of the spots that are rusted to kind of grind all that rust off so that when I do paint it, it'll cover that up. All right, so we're moving along. I got that one section done. I think I definitely want to take this off. Huh, look at that. Okay. Oh shit, they're individual pieces. Okay. Well, we're gonna put this back together so I don't fucking lose anything. Does it matter what way it goes in? Ow. Alright. This piece is brand new, so I'm not worried about this. Alright, back to work. Ah, yes. As I suspected, there is some rust underneath there. So I'm semi-afraid to mess with this because this looks loosey-goosey. I'm afraid I'm gonna break that off. I might just have to deal with it. All right, so there's no sense in keeping you guys here watching this. That's essentially what I'm gonna do the entire inside. Yeah, we'll get it all cleaned up, then wiped out. I got some denatured alcohol, I think that's what it is, to wipe it down to keep it all dry. We'll let that dry for a little bit, and then hopefully we'll at least get this interior done today. So yeah, let me go work by myself for a while. All right, so I've gone and completely like used the bristle, the hard bristle, to grind down everywhere where there was any rust. We've ground it down to bare metal. So all the rust is off. The entire inside has been given a good little once over at least. I went over probably 2 or 3 times the entire inside just to kind of scuff it up. So now I want to wipe this out. I got my denatured alcohol to kind of get everything out of here and help clean it, dry it up a little bit faster. And then I have this 2000 degree Fahrenheit. This will never make it that high. So I'm going to do the inside with this, and then the exterior we have, it actually, instead of showing a motor on here, it actually showed a grill that was using it. So yeah, let's get that moving. I want to spray some air, blow all that out. I apologize, I know that's loud. What a day, what a day. Whew. I know that was loud as hell on here. We're all brushed out, or we're all aired out. Now I'm going to just wipe the inside. Oh, maybe this will come in handy. Okay. Ooh, like some kind of serial killer or like a spy. All right, let's wipe this. Get this all wiped down. Oh yeah. I think I'm doing this right, right? Denatured alcohol will help dry it all out. It's also going to get off the rest of the dust. Clearly there was more. I also have Jax and Reese out. And Reese, being a little pain in the ass today, running everywhere. Reese, get up here. She's going down a little far. I may have to go get her ass. You know, because she listens so fucking well, as we can see. And last section. All right, the entire thing has now been wiped down with denatured alcohol. I need to go get Reese, and then I'm gonna give it another wipe out. Hey, get up here. Why do you have to keep going all the way down there? Stay up here. All right, so it's all been wiped out. It's all been ground down. All the rust spots ground. I then blew off all the dust. Then I hit it with some denatured alcohol. I think we can call this ready. I'm gonna give it one more blowout. All right, we are now ready for our first coat. Oh yeah. Don't knock over the tripod, you psychopath. All right, I'm just gonna give it a coat. I don't want to hit it too hard that it drips. Oops, and right as I say that, I got some drips. I got more drips. Again, doesn't need to be pretty. It's on the inside, so we really don't care. And Mama's home. I got that all cleaned up, so I brought it out to air off. All right, so back at it. Just gonna hit a couple spots. And then, once I get those, but everything is coated inside. All right, so they say it only takes like 20 minutes, so let's let that dry. And then I'm gonna hit it with one more coat, and then we'll call the interior done. We'll be back in 20 minutes. All right, so as you can see, it's all dried, nice and clean. I am gonna hit it with one more round of the flat, and then we're gonna call this done. What a beautiful day. So nice out. All right, let's start here. It is pretty windy too, so there's that. And we're back at the beginning. All right, so I just want to give it one more look over. Let's see if there's any spots I might have missed. I think we got it pretty good. All right, that's going to be a wrap for this. I don't know that I'm going to start on any of the other parts yet. What is it? We're going on 3 o'clock. Jane just got home. She just worked a 36-hour shift, so yeah, I think it's going to be time to chill. We're going to let this sit outside for a while, get it all nice and dry. I'm reading this, dry and recoat test, painting, shake vigorously, blah, blah. Apply light coats, da, da, da. Samana. After paint is fully dried, heat to 450 degrees for 1 hour. All right. Let's clean up. And yeah, the next part of this project is going to be, I need to clean the grates. The beauty of filming outdoors. So yeah, so the grill grates that came with it are the ones where just the sides lift up. It doesn't have that, what do they call it? They're premium barbecue grates or system. Anyway, it doesn't have one of those, so I'm gonna have to look for one of those. It didn't come with the little chamber charcoal holders, so I got that. And they also have like a heat system. I just grabbed it, just because I wanted to. Didn't realize it was $100. Anyway, got that, got a grill cover, and yeah, so we're gonna let this dry. I'll probably clean up the actual grate, and then we're gonna call it a day. So, all right, thanks for watching this far. Long way to go on this project. Keep checking back.